Hello, today's objectives. We're going to examine the effects of lossy compression on both text and images. And when you're given a piece of media, we're going to think about how to decide whether to use a lossy or lossless compression based on the needs of a situation. So let's get started. This is lesson 10 in unit 1. It's called lossy compression. So in your notebooks, I want you to look at and answer this question. How is this widget similar to the widgets we used in our last lesson, lesson 9, and how is it different? If you click here, it will open up this widget. So press pause and answer that question. Now you've probably unpaused, so welcome back. Let's see. The next slide. So now what I want you to do is I want you to go to Code Studio, which is code.org, lesson 10, and go to level 2. So when you get to level 2, you will see something like this. And in your notebook, I want you to think about, what do you notice about the quality of the image when you compress it? What do you notice about the compressed file size? And that information is right here. So press pause and do level 2. Level 3. Now I want you to move on to level 3. And as you're working with level 3, I want you to share out your compressions that you have done by taking a screenshot and putting them in this Google Doc. And then when all of you have your images on there, I want you to try to guess the images by inserting comments. So when we look at this Google Doc, I'm going to show you what it looks like now. This Google Doc is blank. It just says lesson 10, level 3, shared images. Put your images anywhere in this document. If you're not sure how to make a comment, you click, there's multiple things you can, right here, add comment, and you type. And that's that. So back to our slides. And that's the beginning of the lesson. After you do that, come back to Nearpod and get started on this next bit of the activity in the lesson.